The New York Times just revealed its AI strategy, and it changes everything for creators. Here's what you need to know and how to use it. The New York Times partnered with OpenAI, integrating chat features into their platform. For creators and freelancers, this means access to AI-powered research, content summarization, and real-time news insights. Understanding this partnership helps you leverage premium AI tools without expensive subscriptions. It's a game-changer for content creators needing reliable information fast. Step 1. Create or log into your NYT account. Step 2. Navigate to the AI tools section in your settings. Step 3. Enable ChatGPT integrations, research assistance, and content recommendations. Research assistance and content recommendations. Research assistance and content recommendations, or that is 3 research assistance and recommendations. These features help freelancers research faster and creators develop better ideas from trusted sources. Use AI summaries to stay updated on industry trends in minutes. Generate content briefs using NYT data for credibility. Research competitors and market insights instantly. Small business owners can analyze news relevant to their niche, saving hours weekly. Perfect for email newsletters, social media content, and client reports. NYT IA features were best for research and ideation, not primary content creation. Always verify information. IA can hallucinate, compare insights across multiple sources. The partnership mainly benefits paid NYT subscribers, but free tier users gain limited access. Stay updated as features roll out in 2054. Drop a comment. Are you using NYT AI tools? Stay updated. Hit subscribe for more AI tool reviews that actually save you time and money.